Alright everyone, we're going to try something a little different here. Instead of using my phone, I think I found a way of using my computer. So Terrarium is done. So we're going to have to get something else. So what you want to do is go in your box and use either your browser or if you have Chrome. I would prefer using Chrome. And then what we're going to search is Kodi apps. Okay, we'll click the website. Here we're going to click on APKs. And we're going to click on the one that looks like the alarm clock here. It's APKTIME. Okay. Give it a second to load. We'll scroll down a little bit. Still loading. Okay, we're going to click visit APKTIME website on red. And in the list, APKTIME. Okay, so just hit OK. So here, we will close everything. And go back to the home screen. In the home screen, click Apps, App Installer, and check the local disk. And from here, click APKTIME, install. Now with APKTIME, you can actually download a whole bunch of different APKs. You don't have to do the ones that I'm doing. If you do have questions and I'm not using it, I can't answer them. So, in my opinion, best bet is to kind of follow what I'm doing, this way I can have the answers for you. But by all means, feel free to go ahead and check them all out. There's different ways of checking out stuff. That's not what I wanted. Just go back. What you want to click is entertainment. Scroll down. And we want cinema free. I went through at least 7 different APKs, and this was the closest one to Terrarium. Just click download, allow, and again we're going to go back to the main screen. So you can set your home button, and we'll go back to the app installer, local disk again. Here, maybe cinema, install. click open. So there's going to be the change log. So basically this is from the last update. It's going to tell you everything that's updated. Just in time for us, if you happen to use Real-the-Bridge, as of September 13th, it's been installed. So Real-the-Bridge, you can put it on this app and get some better links down. That's pretty much it. Here's your movies. You click the menu button in the far left corner. You can choose TV shows. We do click a TV show. Scroll down. It makes me scroll down. There we go. So there's all your seasons. So season 11. It's got 24 episodes. It tells you all that information. So let's go ahead and click on. Let's do episode 1. So basically I'm searching for all the links right now. And then from here you just click on whatever link you want to watch. Right? Sometimes I'll say 720, sometimes I'll say 1080, but basically the higher the number, the better the quality is. Yeah. So because it's been on YouTube, I'm not going to click on any links. From there we also have movies. Before I click on that really quick, right here is Real-the-Bridge. You click on that, type in the code word that's on the screen. You put down to your website links to Real-the-Bridge and it'll link itself together. Okay. So movies is a little bit different. Do not click the play button. I made that mistake a few times. You scroll down, you'll see the trailer. Download, which I don't recommend. You keep scrolling down, there's all your links here. The longer you wait, the more screens will pop up. So again, if you have Real-the-Bridge in there, obviously those links pop up here as well. Okay, so it's actually very straightforward. I love it. It's just like Terrarium. They do have a Facebook page. I added myself to it, just waiting to be accepted. And apparently there's a lot of work that they're going to start putting into this to make it a lot like what we're used to with Terrarium. One other side thing, actually two. If you do click on the side, again you can choose how the movies are popped up. You can do just action, documentary, family, horror, TV. There's tons of different things to choose from here. So popular is going to be all the newer stuff. If you do click on this again, it's going to be the same with TV shows. Scroll down a bit. Anytime you see the heart, click it. That will throw it into your favorites. So back out. Choose favorites. Anything you click on, it pops up in there. So it makes it a lot easier for TV shows, so you can keep going back to the same show. Alrighty, so that's that. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope to see you finishing off the build later tonight. Hope to stay up late to get used to the sleeping pattern of an overnighter again. So yeah, hope to hear back from you.